What's up guys, good day and welcome to my channel once again. In this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to check your Jamb result using your mobile phone. As you can see, Jamb result is officially out and I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to check it. You don't need to go to any cafe or any accredited center and you don't need to spend any money for it. So all you need to do is to follow the video till the end, and if it is your first time of coming to my channel, consider subscribing for more videos. As you can see, there are two different ways of checking your Jamb result. The first one is through their official portal, and you should make sure you link your email address to Jamb portal before you're able to do that. When you are done with that, the next thing to do is to go to login portal. Alright guys, as you can see, this is the login portal of Jamb, and the next thing to do is to enter your valid email address and the password which you link with your Jamb portal. Now I'm going to log in. As you can see, I have successfully logged in, and there are many features here ranging from your profile, print Jamb UTME main examination slip, pre-part-time registration, to check your result. But as you can see, checking of result is not available on the mail portal at the moment. In that case, we are going to use the second method, which is through SMS, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. For you to do that, first of all, you have to go to your message on your phone. When you are on the message, the next thing to do is to click on send message and enter the phone number, which is 55019. Okay, 55019. And what we are going to test to 55019 is UTME result. There should not be space. That is UTME result. There should not be space. And you send to them. That is, you send like this. 50 naira will be deducted from your account. As you can see, 50 naira will be deducted from my account. And when result is available, because I did not register this SIM card with Jamb portal, that's why I'm not seeing my result. But if you have linked your SIM card with Jamb portal, immediately you send UTME result to 55019, they are going to send your result in less than 1 minute. And I think this is the most effective way of checking your Jamb result in 2024. So this is what I have for you today, and if you find this video interesting, consider subscribing, turn on the notification icon so that anytime I post a wonderful video like this, you'll be the first person to see it. Thanks for watching.